Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the OsmAnd app, a navigation and map tool that gives offline GPS access with detailed global maps. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. OsmAnd uses open-source OpenStreetMap data and packs features like voice-guided navigation, speed alerts, turn-by-turn directions, and offline map downloads. You can customize maps with hiking trails, cycling paths, terrain contours, and even overlay points of interest or record your trips. It also tracks elevation profiles and works with plugins for specialized maps like nautical charts or ski trails. The pros are huge. You get full offline access, tons of customization, and no ads. It's perfect for outdoor trips, cycling, hiking, or traveling internationally without worrying about roaming fees. You can tweak everything from map styles to what details show up on your route, making it way more flexible than most standard navigation apps. On the downside, OsmAnd can feel complicated at first with all its settings and layers. Some of the more advanced tools need a paid subscription, and the interface isn't as sleek as mainstream apps. On older devices, zooming or panning can feel a bit laggy too. In summary, OsmAnd is worth using if you want a powerful offline navigation app with serious customization and open-source freedom. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like and check out OsmAnd for your next adventure. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email in the description.